1.2. What needs to be considered when setting the date and time? In order to display the date and time, but above all for the extensive seasonal switching program, you need a reliable date and time signal. The IP Control Center provides this functionality. With the tab Settings Clock in the device menu on the left, these are parameterized. First, the correct time zone where the IP Control Center is used must be selected. For a single time zone, there may be several options with different cities and regions to choose from. The reason for this is that the different time zone options are related to the respective switching times of the country, or regional summer-winter time changeover. If the summer-winter time changeover is set to yes, then the time change is performed automatically. Basically, the clock in the IP Control Center can be used as a master, sending to the bus, or as a slave, receiving from the bus. In the master setting, the IP Control Center provides a date and time signal that is sent to the KNX bus. It is recommended to synchronize the date and time via an NTP time server on the Internet. With a master setting, the data point type required for the appropriate objects can be determined. The date and time are either available as individual objects with data point types 10 and 11, each with 3 bytes, or as a combined 8-byte object with a data point type 19. In addition, this master setting also allows setting the sending interval of the data for transmission to the bus, as well as the query time for synchronization with the NTP time server. Note on the time server: the IPCC offers you the possibility to receive current time and date via the SNTP while operating in master mode. The SNTP protocol is called Simple Network Time Protocol in the long text. 2 time servers can be configured for this purpose. You can use a URL server name with a length of up to 20 characters. On the other hand, you can also configure an IP address for the time server. When used as a master clock, there are also the parameters for the send interval of date and time information. This interval can be set between 1 minute and 24 hours. Setting a short interval time makes sense, because with the short interval setting, devices receive the current date and time relatively quickly after a restart, and thus are quickly back in the right setting. This is almost indispensable for safety-relevant devices. If the IPCC regarding date and time is operating in slave mode, the corresponding date and time signals are received via the KNX bus. This data could, for example, be provided by a GPS weather station. When using slave, there is also the possibility to use date and time as 3-byte data point types 10 and 11, or the combined data point type 19.